Welcome, dear friends. Today, let us see how to convert an image into Excel, Microsoft Excel. That too, we can easily convert an image of a table or an image of a data into a Microsoft Excel. Let us see.
Dear friends, let us see how to convert an image of any data or a table into Microsoft Excel. Once an image of a data or a table is converted into Microsoft Excel, you can easily manipulate those data. That is the main purpose of converting an image of data. It's nothing but when you take a photograph of an image, when you take a photograph of the particular data in a textbook or somewhere as a table, you can easily convert it into a Microsoft Excel document, real document, and once you convert the image to Microsoft Excel, you can easily manipulate that data. Let us see how the technique is. Now let us go to Microsoft Office. So you can install Microsoft Office in Play Store. Right. Once this Microsoft Office is installed, you can go to it, click Get Started. Now there is a button at the bottom right. Just click that button. Now there is an option 1, 2, 3, third place. In third option you have image to fourth option you have option of image to table. From the top fourth, then you take photograph. I am taking it from my mobile. Just pull it down and adjust. Now click continue. Now click open. Click open anyway. Yes, excellent. Your data has been converted from image to Excel. Now you can easily manipulate the data, right? So this is the process how to convert an image of data or a table into Microsoft Excel. Thank you.
Dear friends, hope you have seen how to convert an image into Microsoft Excel. There are a lot many applications like this which are available in Play Store. You should be aware of it in order to use it in a better way and maximize your efficiency in your work performance. Thank you. Thank you.